is Kathy Martin, and I'm the creator of PreAlgebraTeachers.com. I help pre-algebra teachers elevate their teaching and save time. That's my dog in the background if you can see him. I help teachers elevate their teaching and save time and to be able to spend more time with their families and less time lesson planning. Today, I wanted to share with you a Tuesday tip on how I teach the concept of one-step equations by adding and subtracting. I know a lot of teachers who've struggled with teaching this concept, so I wanted to show you the way that I teach this concept so that it sticks with your students and your students are fully able to understand. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of examples on my whiteboard here. So if I have the equation, let's do negative 8 plus y equals 10. So the way that I teach my students how to solve this problem is I teach them using a T-chart. So it's like more of an upside down T. So what I have them do is I have my students draw a line down the center of the equal sign and then create an upside down T. So I always ask my students, okay, what number is on the same side as the variable? So in this case, my negative 8 is on the same side as the variable because I just created this wall right here. So since negative 8 is on the same side as my variable, that's the number that I'm going to move. And the way that I'm going to move it is by doing its opposite. So here, my number is negative 8, so the opposite of negative 8 is going to be positive 8. So whatever I do to one side of the wall, I'm going to do to the other side of the wall. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0, so that cancels out. So what do I have left over here? I have a y equals 10 plus 8, which is 18. Okay, let's try another one. So if I had an example of x plus 9 equals 13, so I have x plus 9 equals 13. So again, I'm going to draw a wall through my equal sign and then make my upside down T. So again, what number is on the same side as the variable? Well, it's positive 9. So the opposite of positive 9 is negative 9. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 9 here, and I'm going to subtract 9 here because whatever I do to one side of the wall, I must do to the other. 9 minus 9 is nothing, so I have x equals 13 minus 9, which is 4. And of course, you can show your students how to self-check as well. And sometimes your students might be given something tricky like this. You have an x plus negative 7 equals 5. It works the same. You'll draw a line down your equal sign, make your upside down T. So your value here, so what number is on the same side as the variable? Negative 7. So what's the opposite of negative 7? Positive 7. And whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other. So negative 7 plus 7, they cancel out. So over here, I have x equals 5 plus 7. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. Boom, there it is. If you would like to download your own lesson plans and follow-up activities on one-step equations, click on the link above. You'll be able to download lesson plans and activities for one-step equations as well as 9 other free lesson plans. I'm here to help you make your life easier, save some time, and elevate your teaching. I hope you guys have a great day. Feel free to comment in the comments below and let me know if this has helped you. See you next week. Bye.